This is the state of my sink after cleaning the cast iron griddle that I filmed recently, and it's an absolute filthy mess. So I thought this is the perfect time to do a product comparison on stainless steel again. I'll be testing Cif against Barkeeper's Friend. Let's put them to the test. Here we go, products rinsed away. Let me know if you can see a difference. Personally, I think they both perform really well, but I'm sticking to Cif because it lathers up better. The product just seems to go a lot further. But I do love Barkeeper's Friend for other things. If you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that I love it for rust spot removal. It's brilliant for that. But as far as stainless steel sinks go, I'm sticking with Cif. I've just used Cif to finish off the bits I missed, that bit in the middle, and I've done the taps that I didn't do in the video. And honestly, it's a brilliant product. I love it.